Hey guys, pop on in. Pop on in. So I'm doing the final bracelet for my sister. I've made a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 bracelets. Okay? So she had 4, 5, 6, she had 8 beads left over from 4 strands of different gemstones. The sardonyx, the poppy jasper, the aqua lemurian calcite, and the imperial jasper. So what I did was I googled to see what gemstone would go with like an Aries birthday, and I got the cornelian for fire, for stabilization. It's another strong, beautiful gemstone. And this is what the cornelian looks like. So it's going to blend in perfect with those leftover beads. That's going to be beautiful. And actually, and it goes with any one of these bracelets right there. So what I'm doing is lining up the 8 beads first on this string. And I'm using a 0.7 on this one also. And I'm just lining them up in no order, you know, whichever way my fingertips want to pick them up, that's what I'm doing. And then I'll be finishing out her beaded project. And then I will start on mine. Actually, I'm going to show you my new beads. What I found at the, I think it's called Panda Crossing. And also, I ordered some beads from Tejas Beading Company. Tejas. They call themselves Tejas. They be running a big advertisement across on YouTube. And that's what they do. They distribute A1 quality beads. And I ordered some of their beads. Some that like I've never, you know, had before. And some that I've been wanting to try out. So I went on and ordered them. So it looks like I won't be ordering beads for a long time. Unless I sell some of these. And when I sell these, then I could take that profit and get more beads. So we're going to finish this off and we're going to see what it looks like. And I'm going to use the same bonding process that I used before. And those bracelets, oh man, they really are beautiful, guys. And I also got to show you my copper. I got some real copper that I turned into bangles also. I have to show that to you. So that was quick. I'm getting back into the hang of it, guys. Because sometimes oh, this is gorgeous. You just have to take a break from all of this here stuff. It gets you down, and people out here conning you and scamming you and stuff. I hate scammers worse than anything on this earth. Who the worst? A scammers or a liar or a cheater? So this is, oh man, that's going to be pretty. She's going to love that. Like I said, these combinations just fall perfectly in with her other beads, her other bracelets. Okay, so I'm doing that to make sure it's tight. Like I said, it's a little thin. That 7mm ain't what it used to be, guys. Because I used to buy that 7mm all the time, and it was so thick. Oh, that Stretch Magic, it ain't like that no more. So I had to go up to the Crystal Tech. But for these type of beads, you need a 7mm or that one. Like the Crystal Tech is perfect. Especially if you got a bead. This is the bonding agent that I'm putting on the knot. Make sure I get it good. And I'm not going to tie it again, because if I tie it again, I won't get my, I might do it one more time, get my string in that hole. If I don't, I'm going to have to break it and restring it and just do 2 ties. This will be the 3rd tie, I think. I'm not going to pull it last time. I pulled it too tight and broke the whole thing. See? Oh my gosh. That's perfect. This is a beautiful bracelet too. So those were the leftover beads right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are the carnelian at the back. That's gorgeous too. And like I say, look, they blend in perfectly. That, she got the jasper, put that like that. Kind of break it up a little bit. And we're going with that. Nope, take this one out. Nope. There we go. And they all the same size. They should be. But that carnelian seems like it's lagging. But they all the same amount of beads, so I don't know why they like these 4. Because the Stretch Magic, this is from the Stretch Magic. And this is from the Crystal Tech. So what's the problem? Why the Stretch Magic a little bit longer? Let's put it up front. Yep, I don't know why. See that? That's interesting, ain't it? Why is the Stretch Magic a little bit longer than the Crystal Tech? I know I had to use it because of the size of the beads. If this don't blend well, I might have to go back and just use this Crystal Tech. Well, that's the Stretch Magic right there. Crystal Tech, because I needed them all to be the same size. Let's see how she like it. If she don't like that one, that's what they look like on. I wanted them all the same size. See that? That's the Stretch Magic, the 0.7. I don't know if I like that Stretch Magic. Well, I made this one out of the Stretch Magic, and it's still with it. So I might go back and redo that one. Well, those are beautiful, aren't they? But, and you just roll them off when you're taking off your bracelets. Roll them off. But thank you guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.